a green screen but don't have the space or can't afford one, then you need Personify Chromacam. This program will allow you to use your laptop webcam or any other webcam that you may have with a green screen effect. It's available for free to use forever with watermark, or you can buy the Chromacam Pro for a one-time fee of $30. Check it out in the description below. Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom to YouTube Rewind 2018, Random Fandom style. So over the course of this year, we've did a variety of things on our channel. We started out by upgrading our YouTubing gear, so instead of watching 480p videos, you guys can watch 1080p videos, which is pretty great since I got my new laptop and my new phone. But regardless, we still got demonetized, which is the sad part. As you can see, we made a video on being demonetized. If we scroll down here, there it is. You can see where I talked about demonetization and the new studio equipment. We played Overwatch. We made tutorial videos on how you can use your external device as a display. We've reviewed phones and Bluetooth headsets. We've made a new channel trailer. We showed you how you can stop Windows from updating and made a music mashup. We showed you how to win PUBG, and we played some other games and did a comparison between similar games. We made yet another music video, and we made an exposing video on the Bullet Force devs because they did some things that they shouldn't have. We've exposed a fake Fortnite. We showed you some free photo editors, how to get free cell service, a mystery video which turned out to be a display of my 3D printed tablet stand being printed off. So that's this thing right here. As you can see, it's pretty nice. You can dock 2 phones or 1 tablet with it. We've made a music mix video, which is basically full of music that has a ton of bass. And then we've showed you how to get free software without pirating. We showed you a temporary desk setup, which has been yet to be made again, because I now have a new temporary desk setup. Showed you how to win PUBG Mobile. Showed you why USB-C headphones are not mainstream. Showed you a little bit of a game that I modified and then gave away. Started the 5 to 500 challenge, where I turned $5 into $500. That's still a work in progress. There'll be links in the description where you can go buy some of the things that I bought with the $5 on eBay. And then showed you some free Adobe Illustrator alternatives. Showed you how to optimize PUBG so you can play it on lower end devices like this S5 Sport, for example, or this Moto X Pure Edition. And then I showed you the greedy pay to win tactics that game developers use in their games, and some examples of fair monetization that's yet to be continued. And also I'll be probably starting a whole new series on just greed in the tech industry alone. And then showed you the best Razer phone cases, free file management software for Windows, and then for the last video, gave away a game that I modified. So over the course of this year, we did quite a bit. We've increased the quality. There might not have been as many videos since I've been a little more busy moving and stuff. But yeah, next year, which will actually be this year by the time you're watching this video, I hope to plan it to be a nice big year. We'll have a new Discord server coming. We'll have a new website coming hopefully as well. And also probably some more YouTubing gear, like maybe a new camera, a new iPad maybe to do some video editing on, since video editing on Windows and Android sorta sucks compared to what Apple has to offer. Which, by the way, Apple, I don't really like Apple devices, but if I get an iPad, I'll be able to use things like iMovie or Final Cut or even LumaFusion. So even though the devices are proprietary and locked down and super expensive and not as well made as some Android devices, like with the iPad Pro bending and all, we don't see those issues with, say, the Samsung Tab S4. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And also, over the course of this year, YouTube as well has had its own share of issues with demonetizing creators, not showing our thumbnails off correctly, replacing our thumbnails, not completely uploading videos and optimizing them properly or processing them. We've had issues where YouTube even went down for a whole day or whatever. We've had the YouTube purge happen lately, which is why I'm still at 223 subscribers rather than a few more than that. There's, of course, some of you out there who have maybe subscribed had your channel deleted because maybe you haven't used your YouTube account in a while. So yeah, just YouTube clearing out spam subscribers, that's all. And then also, we've had issues with like other major YouTubers scaring away the advertisers, like Logan Paul, for example, making the Suicide Forest video. We've had just various issues on YouTube. So hopefully they get that fixed this year in 2019. Otherwise, we might have to look towards other platforms like the purple and white guys over at the service that starts with a T, which is also linked in the description below. And oh yeah, Susan, whatever your last name is, don't demonetize my video just for talking about Twitch, you know? That's not the right thing to do. Also, I killed off my Patreon account, so meanwhile, you do see it right here in this video. That is going to be going away. You won't be able to donate there. If you want to donate there, well, that's too bad. If you want to donate, just donate to my PayPal. It's easier and also a lot better because they don't shut down creators they disagree with, and also pretty sure PayPal isn't as big on funding terrorists, for example, like Patreon is. Patreon allows terrorists to use their platform to raise money to do their terrorist attacks or whatever. So I found that out on another video. I'm actually probably going to link that channel in my description below. They made a whole lot of great videos exposing pay to win and all sorts of bad business practices and all sorts of things over the course of this year. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you're the most awesome person in the world, and you will get a free unicorn this new year.